womkelebhele kumsebenzi omhle ekufanele ukuthi siwamkele sonke sisizwe sasemhlabuhlangene. Halala womkelebhele, halala. Bayatheni ke bathole silo. Bayatheni ke bathole silo lekhonyama. Kodwa kulini kuthethwa ngomkelebhele kwelilizwe. Ingesathalo mhlabothalilizwe. Ingesavela mhlabothalilanga. Ingesibukhulu sikhathi nyangalelanga. Ingesibuthestimony supesa mhlaba lophaphelanga. Sekyukela ngayipina ndikibela ngayipina. Utyomteka mkifa hayinoko kawukale ngaleya. Wala mfotili ngamkisa ndiyakukhahlela. Awuphosi inkale ngomntana jikela ngekubona umkolo kuqina. Awusayinja siyawula siyakwamakhulu amathathu. Kuba bangane siwagqibile. Yo!
Akasimtshela izandla ubaba uMkiva. Siyabonga kakhulu-ke. First, let me just say thank you. I want to congratulate the organizers of this event. These youngsters, lezi insizwa zihlanganisela umcimbi. Baqala bebancane nje basebekhule bengaka. Siyabonga ukuthi nikwazi ukubambisana nobaba abaphathi bamahashi. Obaba abanikazi bamahashi, abagibeli nonke siyanibonga ukuthi nizokwenzela umcimbi ube muhle ngale ndlela eyiyona. Eminyakeni ezayo lo mcimbi omkhulu uhlule iJapan July. Bona ngoba kuyithina esikhona la ngobuningi bethu sizozikhombisa ukuthi obani sinjani. Kubalulekile ukuthi nazi ukuthi awene amasiko nezenu indlela zokuphila zibalulekile ziyigugu ongafanele lishabalala. Ngakho-ke sifuna nabancane bakhule bafunde bazi ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ivuleleke wonke umuntu. Kufanele wonke umuntu aziwe ukuthi okwakhe makuhlonishwe nawe okwabanye ukuhlonipha. Siyafisa ukubonga kakhulu. Let's say thank you to all the guests who are here. I know that there will be some who will be delivering a vote of thanks, but I'm aware that Gold Circle has been a partner to this team for a long time, supporting the rural horse riding clubs, as well as those who have come from Hollywood, who have joined in of late. We also want to thank all of those who made a contribution, because we are aware as well that Honorable Khama also made a contribution. So I want to say thank you to all of them for making this a success. Siyabonga kakhulu.